What's up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can get refund on Steam. Well, the process is pretty simple for that. You simply have to go to your Steam. Now, as you can see, I'm in my Steam here. You have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you just have to click on this help section from the Steam and then click on Steam support. After clicking on Steam support, you will be able to see your recently purchased products. Now, suppose these three are the products which you have purchased recently. You just have to find the game you want to refund. Now click on the game you want to get refund, and there you go. You'll be able to see an option, different options right here. And under one of these options, there should be an option for like refund this or refund the game. However, you will only be able to refund a game under 14 days of purchase. If the days are passed, you won't be able to see this option, or if the game is free, you won't be able to see this option either. As you can see, these are the games which are free, so I cannot see an option for actually getting or applying for refund. But in your case, you just have to click on that option and you will be able to fulfill the form, state the reason, and apply for refund. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.